This is what happened every day. Packages are dropped, stacked, thrown, and crushed, and often arrive the broken before they even reach the customer. These damages don't just break products, they break the trust, increase the returns, and hurt your brand's reputation. But what if the damages could be prevented? That's where transit testing, also known as the ISTA testing, comes in. ISTA, the International Safe Transit Association, set the global standards to test how well your packaging performs under the real-world shipping conditions. Your vibrations and shocks to drop, compressions and impacts, and ISTA testing ensure your packaging is strong enough to survive the journey. The result favor damages, happiest customers, and stronger trust. If you need certified ISTA, ASTM, or ISO transit testing, email us to testedgesolutionsA2Z@gmail.com. One of our customers will get the touch within the 30 minutes. You are watching the Testing Edge Solutions, Trust Testing, Proven Protections. Thank you so much for the watching.